Are you still struggling to decide which Porsche diagnostic programming tool to choose? Today our technicians at VX-DOS.com recommend a Porsche diagnostic programming device that has been chosen by many customers. We'll show you what's included in the Piwis package, a demonstration of the software, how to connect to Wi-Fi and more in our video. Now we can see that this is our PIWIS3, and this PIWIS3 comes with a base. Please be careful when unplugging it. Next, we'll connect it to the car. We'll use the module here instead. After connecting it to the car, we will hear a sound and the light will turn on. Next, we connect the USB port to the laptop. Wait for the device to communicate with the laptop. After the device communicates with the laptop, it will show VC via USB. If you still can't recognize the device after following the previous steps, please contact our staff. There may be hardware damage. Next, we will show you the Wi-Fi connection. This PIWIS3 supports Wi-Fi. First, we click System, then Network Configuration, and click Setting. In the network name, we choose your own home Wi-Fi and then enter the password. It will show that the connection is successful, and in the bottom left corner of the laptop, we can see that the Wi-Fi is connected. Now we are going to connect to the device's Wi-Fi. Still, click on System, then Network Configuration, and click on Setting. In the network name, we select the device's Wi-Fi. The name is DUIP VCIEF6E. In the network name, we choose the Wi-Fi of the device. Click Save, and enter the password 12,345,678. Now we can unplug the USB cable and check the connection status. This PIWIS3 is a dual system with software versions v41.500 and v38.20. So how do we switch the software? Now we will restart the computer. Here we can see there are two versions of software we can choose. So now you can choose the software version you need to use. We can see the software version on the bottom of the computer screen. Next, we will show you what is available in the software. The PIWIS3 is Wi-Fi enabled, engineer software, and license update is supported, but not engineering software. VX-DOS has 4 PIWIS3 that we would recommend to you, and we will show you another one in the next video. If you need more information, please subscribe to us. Product links are in the comments below the video. You need to have certain professional skills before you buy the equipment. We provide you with the basic maintenance of the hardware and software.